Guys, welcome back to SeaWorld Orlando. Since I was last here, SeaWorld has actually completed construction on their new for 2024 B&M Family Launch coaster, Penguin Trek. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills. Guys, this is our day. I think we're going to take a ride on Mako. Let's go. Two rides there on Mako. I personally like it better than Candemonium at Hershey. It just has a little bit more to it. The ending on Candemonium is a little bit better than the ending on this, but still Mako is just overall the better coaster. Alright, I think we're gonna head to Penguin Trek, and then we're gonna head on to Journey to Atlantis because it is so humid today. I am sweating and wanting nothing more than to get on a water ride. Wow guys, it looks a lot different than the last time I was here in September. Amazing. And I think we can actually walk down here and kind of get a little bit closer, but very exciting to see all this. Wow, you can get so up close to this thing and just watch it all around you. I can't wait to hopefully get on it the next time I'm here. Here's a look inside the area, guys. Looks like it's almost near completion. It shouldn't be that much longer. And then those covers are there to protect the launch. Kind of hard to see inside. And it goes all the way down here. As you can see, pretty much all the way down here is almost done. They got all the trees planted. It kind of looks like they're putting the final touches on this. Wow. Again, a little hard to see inside, but this is where you're gonna come back and go back into the station, it looks like. how these restraints
The
are.
guy was like, where's the evidence?
They are completely different than a lot of B&M's other coasters. It's like a whole new train, so very exciting. So it looks like that is the station right there, I'm gonna guess. Where you're gonna be launching out. That makes sense. It's back there. So exciting. I can't believe how many great areas you can stand and watch this coaster all around you. And the interactions that it's gonna have with Manta when these two coasters are running together is just gonna be fantastic. Kraken right now is a 5-minute wait, so I think we're gonna head to that next. Great 2 rides there on Kraken. And now I think we're gonna have to journey to Atlantis because I am sweating and dying in the humidity. So let's go have a ride. Although I'm not complaining too much because it sure beats shoveling snow in Pennsylvania. So let's go have a ride. Absolutely soaked there on Journey to Atlantis. Yep, that was very refreshing. Time to do some more coasters. Here are the pink chickens, everyone. Great to see them. Great ride there on Pipeline. You know, such a great coaster. I can't believe it was a year ago where we thought that this wouldn't even be, you know, a top 10 coaster of the year, and it just blew our expectations out of the water. I hope we see more of these surf coasters. I would love to see one at Hershey Park. Like I've said, I think if Tidal Force is reaching the end of its service life, this would be a great fit in that location, and would kind of like tie the entire boardwalk area together. All right, I think we might head to Icebreaker, but first I think I'm gonna get lunch first. So this is my first time dining at the Sharks Underwater Grill. Look at this table. It's an actual aquarium. Like, those are real fish. Very cool. Man, guys, I'll tell you, when I buy a house someday, I'm putting one of these in my man cave. You know, this is just mesmerizing watching. Great meal there at the Sharks Underwater Grill. I don't really usually get scallops before, but that was really good. Yeah, I think we're gonna go check out Icebreaker, see what that wait is. And yeah, let's head over there.
Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
You guys can just see by that video just how busy Icebreaker is. It's actually up to a 70-minute wait. Yeah, for those of you that say that Icebreaker isn't a family coaster, that's not the case by that line. Alright, I think we're gonna head to Manta first, and then I want to hit the Sky Tower, and then I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, it is busy today. Great ride there on Manta. I want to go check out to see if the Sky Tower is open, because if it is, I want to get a ride on that, and then I think that's going to be it.
Please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
We're gonna spend it anyways. Okay, it was winter. We're really
SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of partner agencies, park guests like you, rescue, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are available 24/7, 365 days a year.
When it was on. I'll go on the white. I'll read that one. The white. There's water right there. Yeah, that's why I want to walk. Yeah, that's what I want to do. The green one? Yeah.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see
I love roller coasters so much. You know which one is free? The wooden one that's.
Oh, right there. Right? Yeah. So it's dry.
Yeah, that's why the that's not this part, right?
We are on a mission to protect marine life and the oceans they surround. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting one. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue, tourism teaching, habitat protection, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it here.
You want to go to the Flamingos? I don't know what that one, but it's not. There's a one that's coming 24. That's the What's the big one? Really? Why would you do that? At the water? Right here. Let's go right there. What is it like? Stop it.
And well, guys, that does it from today's Penguin Trek construction update. Lots of great progress. Hopefully this ride opens in the next upcoming month because it is busy and this park really needs another family coaster. I'm gonna head back to Disney because I don't know if you see those gray dark clouds behind me. That's not a good sign. But yeah, it's always a pleasure to come back and ride Mako. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. I typically do content from Hershey Park, Dorney Park, and Six Flags Great Adventure, but once in a while, something from Florida, something from Virginia, you never know. So make sure you come along for the ride. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.